guys, it's Taylor from Avocadamama. We're so excited to bring you another awesome video today of a recipe for you to use at home with either the Mac at Home kit or our cheese sauce, which we're selling both every Friday. We're doing the pickups on those. Check out our website if you'd like to order. Today's recipe is very special to us. We're gonna show you how to make the Buffalo Cauliflower Mac and Cheese that we use at our pop-ups and sell at our truck in Portland. I'm sure if you've been a fan for a while, you've had this. It's delicious, it's amazing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on today. So let's go ahead and get started in the kitchen. So what we're using today is you're gonna need cauliflower, because this is a Buffalo cauliflower recipe. This is about to go bad. I'm sorry it looks like this, but at least you won't be eating it. I am such a person who doesn't like wasting food, so I'm gonna eat it even though it's brown, but yeah. Ideally you want yours to be fresh. We're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces like this to kind of achieve that wing look. This is how we do it at our commercial kitchen and how we used to serve it at pop-ups. And it's how we serve it at our truck in Portland. So for this recipe, you're gonna need about a 1/4 cup of cauliflower because I'm doing enough for 1 serving. So 1 serving here is gonna be 1 cup of our original cheese sauce that you'll need. This is 2 cups, so we're only gonna use half of it. I'm gonna pour in enough buffalo sauce. It's up to y'all. If you guys like stuff really spicy, you can put more, but I'm gonna put enough in to kind of coat all of the cauliflower, like so. So this buffalo sauce is the Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. This buffalo sauce is great because it's accidentally vegan and it's like nice and buttery and delicious. If you like yours extra spicy, add hot sauce in here too. But for us, this is like the perfect amount. And then what we're gonna do, if you have an air fryer, we're gonna air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, or if you're baking, you can bake it for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. These days, it seems like everybody and their mother has an air fryer, but if you don't, then yeah, you can bake it. You can bake it this time. Okay, cool. So again, this is enough for like 1 serving, maybe 2, and we'll see you in 12 minutes. So while we're waiting for the cauliflower to bake or air fry, whatever you chose, we're gonna cut up some onions. That seems like more than enough. Seems like a lot actually, but it's fine. We like green onions here. If you got it, flaunt it, boy I know you want it. Let me turn around you, watch you check up on it. So the other things that you're gonna want for this recipe are, let's talk about toppings. So we're gonna do our Kelly's croutons just crumbs because that's always what we with. Sorry. This is just our favorite thing ever. These are the best crumbs in the world. Honestly, a pro tip is buy their crumbs instead of their croutons because the croutons never make it on anything. You'll just eat them out of the bag. But these, you can just kind of put on whatever you want. They look like that. If you've been to our pop-ups, you've definitely had them. This is what we use. This is the brand. Check out Eric and Kelly are the owners. They're amazing, and yeah, we just love it. Look at that. I never realized it says that. Life-changing and amazing. Try on mac and cheese. See, they understand. So we use that. We're gonna use these green onions. We're going to use more buffalo sauce. We use these for our events as well, and since using them at events, we now use them at home, and we love them. And it just makes, like, for example, I make all of my own like salad dressings, and then I put them in these, and it makes it easier to get it out. We use this brand, Follow Your Heart, has the best blue cheese. So yeah, we're just about ready to move to the next step. We're just waiting for our cauliflower to be cooked, and yeah, this is what we'll be using. Okay, so we have about 1.5 servings of pasta here. And then what we're gonna do is add 1/2 serving of this 16-ounce. Oh, I did a little too much, but that's okay. And then the way that we recommend you cook our mac and cheese at home like this is with whatever pasta style you want. This looks actually perfect because it's gonna really blend and marry and attach itself to the pasta. But what we recommend is you add the sauce to your cooked pasta, turn it up like medium high, and then let it cook for a minute. So our cheese, when we give it to you in a container, like the 16 or 32 ounces, it's not cooked. It's prepared and blended, but there has been no heat applied to it. So because of the ingredients that we use in our cheese, it needs to be heated to activate. So see how it's kind of runny? It's not really sticking to the pasta. Look, you can still see the color of the pasta. So we need to give it time to let the sauce really merge with the pasta. So we're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna get a lid, and we're gonna put a lid on it and let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so as you guys can see, remember how I spooned it before and it came up the color of the pasta? It still has a little bit to go, but if you go like this now, look at that. It's definitely sticking to the pasta. Now what I'm gonna do, that we're on this kind of final step, it needs maybe just a couple seconds more, and our cauliflower just went off, so I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna add it in, and we're gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Yay! Okay, so this is looking great, you guys. So this is kind of the consistency. If you see me moving it around, and you can see it stretching a bit. I know that this is a little extra bit of a step that you kind of have to like wait for it to thicken, versus like a red sauce or some other mac and cheese sauces that maybe you just heat. But this one actually, the more care that you put into letting it take its time, the better it's gonna taste, I promise you that. So yeah, look at that, looks great. Let's plate it. All right, so we've put a scoop of it in. This turns out made 2 orders. So we're gonna put our croutons on top. More buffalo sauce, because we like it spicy. And the blue cheese. By the way, if you don't have blue cheese, ranch works just fine. And then we're gonna add a little bit of avocado. Cool.
Alright guys,
How long has it been since you've had this?
well, since I left Portland, so it's probably been like almost maybe like close to 2 months. Oh my god, I forgot what our mac tastes like. I forgot what the buffalo cauliflower tastes like.
On it.
I don't know, sometimes I just like to have the mac before I have the avocado, but okay.
Fun fact about Daniel, he always smells his food before he eats it.
I really do. Damn dude, it's so good. I miss our mac, dude. I miss this mac. Alright, Portland, we'll be up there soon. Maybe in like 2 weeks. I know I should get all the mac you want.
Alright.
Alright, enjoy.
Peace.
Peace.